Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring every participant has the right app and is signed in. This prevents permission hiccups. Once done, update the app and enable network access so streaming is stable. Make sure one person is the host and confirms microphone and camera permissions. That simplifies control. Test playback and audio quickly with a short clip so you know syncing works. If two participants use different devices, adjust volume and picture settings now to match the expected shared experience. You create the Watch Together session and invite everyone. This centralizes control. Once participants accept, choose the content and pick a start time so playback aligns. Make sure shared playback controls are enabled so pause, seek, and subtitles apply to all viewers. Use chat or quick reactions for timing cues while you confirm that everyone sees the same frame. This avoids drift. If someone's video lags, ask them to pause and rejoin so you can resync precisely before continuing. You manage the session by using the host controls to pause, seek, or change subtitles. Grant control to others only when needed to prevent conflicting commands. If someone reports lag, have them switch to a wired connection or a different Wi-Fi band, close background apps, or lower playback quality. These steps usually restore sync. Once finished, confirm audio alignment and consider recording or saving timestamps for highlights. If persistent desync persists, rejoin the session or restart the app to clear cached issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.